Hello everyone, welcome to the world of learning. My name is Shweta Sikroria and I work as a soft skills trainer with IBS. Let me tell you about myself. I have a PG diploma in personal management and industrial relations. I am also certified in other teaching qualifications like CELTA, IELTS, and DISC assessment. I come with more than 16 years of training experience and my areas of interest are soft skills, business communication, English spoken language, and customer service. Earlier, I have conducted various corporate training programs with clients like Hero Corporate, Hire, etc. I've also been involved in content development and recruitment at various levels during my tenure as L&D professional. At IBS, my role is to train students individually and in groups. During my coaching sessions, I work on communication skills, confidence skills, and deal with students' anxieties, if any. Now, about FACT. It consists of team of experts in their respective area, and I, as a soft skills trainer, conduct GDs, interviews, language improvement sessions. Besides these, there are discussions on placements, business news, etc. The aim of coaching sessions and PACT is to make the students aware of the placement and make them job ready. In order to improve students teacher interaction, engagement, and learning outcomes, the pedagogy involves a blend of components like synchronous and asynchronous learning. We conduct interactive classes through video conferencing. We use the asynchronous approach through IBS LMS QuickForce. For this, we use PowerPoints, open education research, quizzes, videos, etc. Evaluations takes place through personal interactions, assignments, group discussions, and interviews. Few parameters for evaluation include communication skills, domain knowledge, current affairs, etc. For any kind of help, especially related to my field, I'd be glad to help. My email ID is shweta.sikroria@ibsindia.org. Wish you all the best and a wonderful journey ahead. Thank you.